Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share chemistry ESET 2020 bits. The mass number and atomic number of an element are A and Z respectively. The number of neutrons in the atom of that element is A represents mass number, that means total number of neutrons and protons. Z represents atomic number, that is the number of protons present. So A minus Z gives the number of neutrons present in an element. So option D is the right answer. The two electrons present in an orbital are distinguished by. So whenever if you consider an orbital, it consists of maximum 2 electrons. They are having opposite spin and remaining quantum number values are same. So they can be distinguished only by spin quantum number. So option B is the right answer. The order of increasing energy of orbitals follows. It can be explained on the basis of Euler's diagram. Simply it can be represented as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, etc. So here we can calculate the order of energy of the orbitals. So it is possible to calculate the relative energy of the orbitals. So in the given options here, 3s is having less energy than 3p, than 4s, than 3d. So 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d and 4p is the right option. So the relative energy of 3s orbital is less than that of 3p, which is less than 4s, which is less than 3d and it is less than 4p. So option C is the right answer. Ionic bond is formed by. Ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electrons. So option C is the right answer. The total number of electrons that take part in forming bonds in N2 is. So the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Outermost electrons take part in the bonding and we are having two such atoms. So each atom consists of lone pair electrons and each atom contributes 3 electrons for the bonding. So altogether triple bond is present between the two nitrogen atoms. That means how many electrons are present? 6 electrons are present and they are involved in the bond formation. So option D, 6 is the right answer. Sum of mole fractions of the two components of a solution is always, it is always equal to 1. So option C is the right answer. A 10 normal solution stands for. 10 normal solution can be called as decanormal solution. So option D is the right answer. The molarity of pure water is. Pure water means in general molarity can be calculated by using the formula weight by gram molecular weight for a liter solution. Here weight of the water is 1 liter, that means we can consider as 100 grams divided by gram molecular weight of water is 18. So 1000 divided by 18 and it is equal to 55.55. That means option A, that is 55.6 is the right answer. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, which one of the following is considered as an acid? So according to Bronsted theory, acid is a substance which donates a proton. So option C is the right answer. Hydronium ion, it is capable of donating a proton and hence it can be called as Bronsted acid. The pH of a solution containing 10 power minus 6 HCl is. HCl is a strong electrolyte and it dissociates completely. So H plus Cl minus. So concentration of HCl is exactly equal to the concentration of H plus ions. So H plus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 6. That is exactly equal to 10 power minus pH. That means the value of pH is 6. So option B, 6 is the right answer. Calculate the quantity of electricity that will be required for liberating 710 grams of chlorine gas by the electrolysis of concentrated solution of NaCl. NaCl is a strong electrolyte and it dissociates into Na plus and Cl minus. So at the anode, 2 Cl minus ions undergo oxidation and results in the formation of chlorine gas with the liberation of 2 electrons. According to Faraday's law, 1 Faraday of current is passed through the electrolytic solution, then it deposits or liberates gram equivalent weight of the substance. Here we have to calculate the amount of the chlorine gas. So 1 Faraday of current is passed, then it can liberate equivalent weight of chlorine gas. The equivalent weight of chlorine gas is 35.5. Now we have to calculate how much amount of electricity is passed to liberate 710 grams of chlorine gas. So on cross multiplication, that is number of Faradays is equal to 710 by 35.5, that is exactly equal to 20. So 20 Faraday of current is required to deposit or liberate 710 gram of chlorine gas. So option B is the right answer. The standard reduction potentials of, that means E0 for the half reactions are as given below. Zinc will be oxidized into Zn plus 2. Iron is oxidized into Fe plus 2. And here the oxidation potential values are given. While calculating the EMF of the cell, always remember EMF of the cell can be calculated by using the reduction potentials. Especially EMF of the cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. So here we have to convert them into reduction potentials. So oxidation potential is equal to minus reduction potential. So it is exactly equal to minus 0.76 volts for zinc, and for the iron that is equal to minus 0.41 volts. Here we have to identify that here iron is acting as the cathode and zinc is acting as the anode. So it is the cathode and zinc is the anode. So that is equal to here EMF of the cathode minus EMF of the anode. So that means the electrode potential of cathode is minus 0.41 minus of minus 0.76. So that is equal to plus 0.35 volts. So the EMF of the cell is 0.35 volts. So option B is the right answer. The best electronic conductor is silver. So option D is the right answer. The electric charge for the electrodeposition of 1 gram equivalent weight of the substance is. So when 1 gram equivalent weight of the substance will be deposited, when 1 Faraday of current is passed. Always 1 Faraday of current carries 1 mole of electrons. So it is exactly the charge on 1 mole of electrons. So that is option A is the right answer. The hardness of the water is expressed in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents. Which of the following is the powerful disinfectant? Chlorine is the powerful disinfectant. The process of killing pathogenic bacteria in water is called as sterilization. So option C is the right answer. The metal oxide film that can easily undergo corrosion is volatile metal oxide film. So option C is the right answer. In galvanized articles, which metal protects the base metal? So galvanization is the process in which iron or steel is protected by coating with zinc. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following is thermosetting plastic? Bakelite. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. Ebonite is a highly vulcanized rubber. In general, it contains 32% of sulfur. The coal having highest ranking is anthracite. So option A is the right answer. Which of the following causes Minamata disease? Mercury. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, all these are greenhouse gases. So option D, nitrogen gas is not a greenhouse gas. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.